Please feel free to subscribe to this sideshow and append any comments and questions, which I shall endeavour to deal with to the best of my theatrical propensities.
I'm going to try a bit of polynomial division today and use what is called the synthetic method, which is an adaptation of Horner's method, adapted by me. Okay, and the advantage of it, this is very rapid. So this is what you do with the first one. I'll write down 1, that's the x squared, minus 3, that's for that term, and minus 54. And here, I'm going to write down 1, coefficient of x, but instead of plus 6, I'm going to write minus 6. This is what we call the divisor, and this is the multiplier. Right, so start off. 1 into 1 goes once. We now multiply 1 by minus 6, that gives us minus 6. This turns that to minus 9. We now multiply minus 9 by minus 6, which is 54, and add it onto that, that's 0. And that's complete. So the answer is x minus 9. That is the answer to the first one. Now do the second one in pretty well the same way. So I'll write down 1, 5, 0, and minus 72. I've deliberately done this one because here you'll notice the x term isn't there, but we mustn't forget it when we're doing the division, and I've written 0 where it should be. Apart from that, it's very much like this first one. And here we're dividing by x minus 3. That's the x. Instead of minus 3, I write plus 3. And I proceed from here. That's the bit where the remainder, if any, will go. Right, 1 into 1 goes once. 3 ones is 3. Added to 5 is 8. 3 times 8 is 0. 3 times 8 is 24. Add to 0 is 24. 3 times 24 is 72. Added on to minus 72 is 0. And that just about does it. So our answer will be x squared plus 8x plus 24. I'm going to continue with the polynomial division synthetic method and apply it to solving the quadratic equation x squared minus 112x plus 3127. You could do this by factorizing, but I think you're going to find it a bit awkward to get the factors of that particular number. So what I've suggested is that we diminish the roots by 50. Now we can do that by successive division of the original equation by x minus 50. And we've already shown you how to do that, but I'll do it over here. So I'll write down 1 minus 112 and 3127 and here our divisor is x minus 50, so I'll write that is 1 and plus 50 and proceed from here as we've just done. 1 into 1 goes once. We now do 50 times 1, which is 50, and add that onto minus 112, which gives us minus 62. We now multiply 50 by 62, which is 3,100, sorry. Add it onto that, and that gives us 27 over here. And underline that. And now I'll repeat the process for over here. 1 into 1 goes once. Right, 50 times 1 is 50. Added to minus 62 is minus 12. Now underline that. And continue. 1 into 1 goes once. Let me finish there. So our new equation is x squared minus 12x plus 27 equals 0, which easily factorizes, I hope, as x minus 3 and x minus 9. These roots, so the roots, beg your pardon, here, is x is 3 and x is 9. So the original roots are 50 bigger than that, because we diminished the roots by 50. So our actual answer is 3 plus 50, which is 53, or 59. And that does it.
Please feel free to subscribe to this sideshow and append any comments and questions, which I shall endeavour to deal with to the best of my theatrical propensities.